Hello and welcome to my African Village TV, your guide to the hidden treasures of Africa. Chai, it has been a very long time, and yes, I miss every one of you, and you, and it feels so refreshing. It feels so fulfilling to be back here. And like the title says or states, we are in the Gambia, the smiling coast of Africa. You know that Gambia is always referred to as the smallest or one of the smallest countries on the mainland of Africa. Gambia is just a tiny country located amidst Senegal. Years ago, it was together with Senegal, and the name was Senegambia. And today they have decided to retain a part of this country called Senegambia, in the Gambia, of course. And this is just like an intro. We're moving from Senegambia to Banjul, the capital of the Gambia. And like I said, it's an intro. We are going to show you more and more about this beautiful country. And as it states, or the name that we know it as, the smiling coast of Africa, well, you're not gonna see people literally smiling everywhere you go, but I think it's more referring to the heart of the people here. You know, Ubifadio Javine Ndubioja, people who can go out of their way to help you out without expecting anything in return. People whose vibes and energy are mostly positive. People whose land is termed little, but they are more willing and very glad to share it with others. Very welcoming and lovely people. And so, focusing on the strength of this beautiful African country, we are going to explore more and more. So tell us what you would want to see more, the places you would want us to go to or show you, because we are in the Gambia. And still on the Gambia, I will be sharing with you more and more about their cultures, tradition, the people, the areas in different cities and locations, and most importantly, Akoko Basalu Ndebai Igbo in the Gambia. I know most of you will be very interested. Are you tired of paying more for less? Introducing Coast Food and Beverages, your gateway for the best quality and healthiest foods and drinks. With Coast, you can buy much more with less. We source the finest organic produce like cereals, dairy, fresh, natural, and healthy drinks, and all kinds of beverages, and deliver them nationwide for your convenience. Enjoy the unbeatable taste and nutritional value of our premium European foods and beverages in Africa. We have everything you need to elevate your meals and gatherings. In that aspect of this exposition. So yes, we've passed the bridge a moment ago and we're heading on to Banjul. And I want to seize this opportunity to say a huge thank you to every one of you here. My brothers, my sisters, my mamas, my papas, everyone on this platform. Thank you so much for your support, for your patience. Chai, unubondin didi. Should I say Kalia Job or God bless you. Thank you so much for believing in what we have to offer to my African village people. Yes, you are my village person if you are listening to my voice, and I want you to know that you are heard, you are valued, and you are a wonderful person. I'm going to wrap up my commentary here, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now. Atapokwamwadu Splendor.